Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these turquoise howlite and brass bar earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our turquoise howlite drop to this brass bar, and we're going to do that using a 22 gauge brass head pin. So you just want to string your bead onto your head pin, and then you're going to take your round nose pliers and put it right up against the bead. And you're going to bend the head pin away from you so that it creates about a 90-degree angle. Then you want to put your pliers at the top, right where it bends at the top. And then you just want to coil that wire around over top so it makes a little loop. And while you have your loop open, you just want to string your brass bar on there. And then you're going to hold it in the loop and you're going to coil around your wire until it gets back to the bottom and touches the bead, and then you're just going to cut off the excess wire. Then I'm going to go ahead and open my ear wire. I'm just going to gently twist that open at the bottom, and then I can string my bar on. And then I can string that or push that closed. And for the other earring, we're just gonna do the same thing. We're going to string the bead onto the head pin. And we're gonna take our pliers and put it right up against the bead, bend it away. And then we're gonna put our pliers at the top right there, and we're just gonna bend that around. And then while that's open, we're going to attach the brass bar. And then we're just going to hold it right here in our loop and coil this back around a few times. And then we're going to cut off the excess wire. And then we're going to open up our ear wire, attach the bar. Close that up, and there you have it. Simple pair of turquoise howlite earrings. Thanks so much for watching, and all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.